simple project today. Can't have too many cup holders. And this is probably the best cup holder ever made. This is old school. Made in the USA. And when you look at the back, the date says 1997. I don't know if these are still made. But yeah, these were advertised all the time in car magazines for RVs. So got a couple for my van. I actually have two. The first one is going to go on the sliding door. Perfect. And this is the furthest it goes, so I'm not going to accidentally crush it or anything. So I could hang out by my sliding door here and have a beverage. Here's the cup holder folded out of the way. And then when you open it up, the sliding door stops right here, so I won't accidentally smash it. And then here's a beverage right there. So now I have a cup holder on the sliding door. Can't have too many cup holders. And then we close this. See, it clears the seat too. So there you go. And then I have an extra one right here. It was like 2 for $12. So yeah, it says 1997 on the back of this, so I have no idea if this company's still around. American Technology. There you go. Another addition to my van.